Hey friends, we're going to add another sight word to our sight word bank. All right, so let's review. This is the word and, A-N-D, and. I have a dog and a cat, A-N-D, and. This is the sight word the. The big dog is so cute. Here it is in the sentence. The, T-H-E, the. Here's the sight word There was a pig in the mud. Here it is. The letter A, This is the sight word in. The frog jumped in the water. Here it is. I-N, in. To. I love to go to the farm. Ooh, I used it twice in that sentence. T-O-2. So this is our new one for today. T-O-2. And this is the, not the number word two. That one is T-W-O. But this one is the word to, like I'm going to the farm, to the store when we are going to a place. All right, friends, practice these sight words. You can even make flashcards and use those. All right, bye, guys.